Everybody, 5 years ago, after the worst financial crisis in decades, we passed historic Wall Street reform to end the era of bailouts and too big to fail. As part of that reform, we created an independent Consumer Financial Protection Bureau with one mission: to protect American consumers from some of the worst practices in the financial industry. And this week, they took an important first step toward cracking down on some of the most abusive practices involving payday loans. Millions of Americans take out these loans every year. In Alabama, where I visited this week, there are 4 times as many payday lending stores as there are McDonald's. But while payday loans might seem like easy money, folks often end up trapped in a cycle of debt. If you take out a $500 loan, it's easy to wind up paying more than $1,000 in interest and fees. The step the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau announced this week is designed to change that. The idea is pretty common sense. If you're a payday lender preparing to give a loan, you should make sure that the borrower can afford to pay it back first. This country does best when everyone gets their fair shot, everyone does their fair share, and everyone plays by the same set of rules. That's what middle-class economics is all about. And as long as I'm your president, that's what I'll keep on fighting to do. Thanks, and have a great weekend.